Welcome to our Go Realty, Go Properties how-to channel for vacation rentals. This video doesn't have any pre-stage delays, therefore please use the pause or back options to move this tutorial at your own pace. The scope of this video is intended as a quick tutorial for vacation rentals and simply focuses on how to open and close a master lock key box. We're going to cover only the open and closing of this device. Okay, let's get started. If you haven't already, touch the round center button to power the lockbox. For the purpose of this video, we have temporarily added the code 123456. Enter the code you've been provided by your local host. Once the lockbox is open, remove the key and use it to unlock the door. If you need to retain the key for daily use, please do so. However, please close the lockbox door. Closing and replacing the key. Once arrangements have been made with the local host to replace the batteries, or the keyless entry batteries have been replaced, please reopen the lockbox and return the key as found. Close the lockbox door and verify it is secured. This concludes our quick view of the Master Lock Keybox tutorial. If you need further assistance, please feel free to reach out to the local host listed on your reservation. Hopefully this tutorial helped get you situated for your time with us. Thanks for watching and enjoy your stay.